Another day, another lesson. Why ChatGPT can be used as the Internet of Things, IoT, interface. ChatGPT can be used as an Internet of Things, IoT, interface because they allow users to interact with IoT devices in a conversational manner, making it more user-friendly and natural. ChatGPT can be integrated with IoT devices, which allows users to control and monitor them through messaging platforms or voice assistants. Here are some reasons why ChatGPT can be a good interface for IoT. User-friendly interface. ChatGPT provides an easy and intuitive way for users to communicate with IoT devices, rather than using complex interfaces. Accessibility. ChatGPT can be accessed from any device, including smartphones, laptops, and tablets, making it more convenient for users to control their IoT devices. Personalization. ChatGPT can be personalized to the user's preferences, making it more responsive and efficient. Automation. ChatGPT can be integrated with automation systems, which allow users to control their IoT devices based on preset conditions or schedules. Real-time monitoring. ChatGPT can provide real-time monitoring and alerts for IoT devices, which makes it easier for users to track their status and receive notifications when something needs attention. What exactly is ChatGPT? A chatbot is a complex computer program that can simulate human conversation over the Internet. The conversation could take place either orally or in writing. Contact centers frequently use ChatGPT to guide a conversation with a caller by asking them to select various menus and options by pressing a specific number on a phone set's keypad. ChatGPT is being used in non-voice processes to carry out intuitive chats on company websites and social media pages. ChatGPT such as Apple Siri and Android Auto are being used in cars to help drivers navigate traffic without taking their hands off the wheel. They can use voice commands to make calls, get navigation assistance, and access most of the Internet. Other basic touchscreen-based operations are carried out without the use of a touch. They also have an artificial memory that allows them to remember the driver's preferred settings as well as the phone numbers and contact information of their acquaintances. Because ChatGPT has the intelligence to receive and exchange data with other devices connected to existing Internet infrastructure, they are now being used as IoT interfaces. It has the potential to totally transform the customer service industry. ChatGPT will enable businesses to replace human agents with ChatGPT in low productive customer service areas without compromising customer experience. Self-service and automation are the best bets for today's customers who are wary of voice calls and want quick response times and empowerment. ChatGPT now provides the option of providing 24/7 customer service seamlessly across a multi-channel communication network. E-commerce providers in Japan and China have now attempted to improve customer experience by allowing them to transact while remaining in their familiar environment. They are taking orders and providing superior customer service using social media apps, ChatGPT, that people normally use for socializing. This means that the customer will not have to interact with a bot on the company's website, which is inconvenient if they are using smartphones, or download an app that they will not use for anything else. This is how ChatGPT are integrating itself into customers' daily lives to provide smart solutions to their problems. ChatGPT can be used as the Internet of Things, IoT. Yes, ChatGPT can be used as an interface for Internet of Things, IoT, devices. ChatGPT are essentially computer programs that simulate human conversation through text or voice, and they can be integrated with IoT devices to enable users to interact with them through natural language conversations. Here are some ways in which ChatGPT can be used as an interface for IoT. Control and monitoring. ChatGPT can be used to control and monitor IoT devices, such as smart home appliances, security systems, and environmental sensors. Users can interact with the chatbot to turn on/off devices or get real-time status updates. Troubleshooting. ChatGPT can provide troubleshooting assistance for IoT devices. When a device malfunctions or needs maintenance, the chatbot can guide users through the process of identifying and fixing the issue. Personalization. ChatGPT can personalize the user's IoT experience based on their preferences and usage patterns. For example, a chatbot could learn a user's preferred temperature settings for their home thermostat and automatically adjust it accordingly. Integration. ChatGPT can integrate with other IoT devices and platforms, such as voice assistants or messaging apps, to provide a seamless user experience. Automation. ChatGPT can be used to automate certain IoT tasks, such as turning on/off lights or adjusting thermostat settings based on preset conditions or schedules. Overall, ChatGPT offers a natural language interface for IoT devices, making it easier and more intuitive for users to control and monitor them. Reasons for which ChatGPT can work as IoT interface. There are several reasons why ChatGPT can work well as an interface for Internet of Things, IoT, devices. Here are some of the main reasons. Conversational interface. ChatGPT offers a conversational interface that allows users to interact with IoT devices in a natural and intuitive way. Users can use voice commands or text messages to control and monitor their IoT devices. Personalization. ChatGPT can be personalized to each user's preferences, making the IoT experience more user-friendly and tailored to their needs. Accessibility. ChatGPT can be accessed from any device with an internet connection, such as smartphones, tablets, and computers, making it easy for users to control and monitor their IoT devices from anywhere. Automation. ChatGPT can be used to automate certain IoT tasks, such as turning on/off lights or adjusting thermostat settings based on preset conditions or schedules. Real-time monitoring and notifications. ChatGPT can provide real-time monitoring and alerts for IoT devices, allowing users to track their status and receive notifications when something requires attention. Integration. ChatGPT can be integrated with other platforms and devices, such as voice assistants or messaging apps, providing a seamless user experience. When it comes to communication over IoT interfaces, ChatGPT fits the bill for a variety of reasons. It is also convenient for programmers who do not have to update these programmers on a daily basis. They are intelligent enough to change settings intuitively to suit a specific conversation and provide the best customer experience possible. IoTs are smart devices that we see in our daily lives, and if ChatGPT can be made a part of the IoT interface, then information. But that isn't all. You won't have to remember how various IoT apps work. Smart IoT devices can be easily operated using everyday language. You will not be required to memorize complex command sequences or information required to establish intent. You will not be required to learn any difficult web programming. You can easily interact with the devices you use on a daily basis to perform various tasks and make inquiries. Natural language commands can be given to ChatGPT. They can also learn on their own. ChatGPT is intelligent enough to understand simple language instructions, gestures, or autocorrect typos in the case of a messaging app, as well as common slang. As a result, the chatbot interacts with you more, it better understands you, and makes communication more intuitive. Even if the entire command is not entered, it can clearly understand the intent. Overall, ChatGPT offers a user-friendly and personalized way for users to interact with their IoT devices, making it easier to control and monitor them. With the ability to provide real-time monitoring and notifications, ChatGPT can help users stay on top of their IoT devices and respond to issues quickly. Over IoT, ChatGPT can refine user requests. If you receive information from a device about something, you can ask it a question using natural language, and a smart chatbot can answer your question if it has the knowledge. This has improved interactions with ChatGPT over IoT in comparison to traditional design interfaces that struggle with information abstraction. VoiceBot provides human-like conversation in all languages. Smart bots are the way forward, and combining them with IoT can have far-reaching benefits. T represents the future. It can reduce unnecessary time waste by avoiding paraphrasing or asking questions the answer to which it already knows. And it can work from anywhere, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you want your contact center to thrive in such an environment, in an ever-changing scenario, it makes sense to install ChatGPT to handle customer service wherever you believe they can replace human agents.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share my channel.